Welcome back to another video. My name's Max. We're at Kleis Car Audio, where we fit radios, Apple CarPlay, stereos, all that good stuff. Anything to do with car electronics, get in contact. Today I'm sat in a Subaru Forester 2017, and as you can see, we fitted a new head unit. This has had the KENWOOD DMX8021DABS system supplied and fitted into it, which is basically an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto radio. Everything works all wirelessly through your phone to the radio. If I press telephone, I go to my phone, I'm going to connect it up. Excuse my ridiculous amount of Bluetooth devices. Press on this. This just shows you how easy it is to connect up to these things. I press on there, I press pair on my phone. Sorry, trying to look at it through the camera while I do it is a bit weird. And in about a few seconds we're going to be hooked up. Perfect. We sat in a Subaru Forester, had a basic factory navigation radio which wasn't really great. Didn't offer any wireless Apple CarPlay, didn't offer, much in that department. The customer wanted DAB as well. So it's quite dark outside now. It's kind of difficult to pick it up perfectly in this light outside. But we've installed it all using a gloss black fascia, so all this here looks very nice and in keeping with the car. It matches like some of the controls down there. We keep the stereo controls working so customer can adjust the stereo from their steering wheel to turn the volumes up and down and things like that. Also we keep the reverse camera, so it's got a factory reverse camera. Pop it in reverse, it will come up with a factory reverse camera image and some quite loud parking sensors. That is basically how it all works. The customer can now benefit from wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB antennas just stuck on the window for this installation. But that'll pick up great DAB, and to be honest, you're hardly going to notice it over there. For certain beady-eyed people, will go down the route of putting them on the back of the car so it's not in your face. They're not too bad, but they've got the best performance, those KENWOOD DAB antennas. As you can imagine, we've tested many different brands. This head unit does have DAB, obviously built-in tuner. It's got the ability to add HDMI to it, like a Fire Stick in the glove box. And one thing that we like, which I showed you at the start, which I didn't make much of a point about, but when your car stereo turns on when you get in the car, I'll just hold this button to emulate the ignition being turned on and off. We put a nice little splash logo, so just helps give it a bit of an original feel. When you get in your car, stereo boots up, see a Subaru logo. Just makes that unit feel more at home. That head unit also comes with a special deal at the moment, 3-year warranty when fitted at your premier KENWOOD installation company like ourselves. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Max, this is Kleis. Any reverse cameras, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you know what to do. Get in contact. Take care and goodbye.